What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more reviews. This time we're going to be looking at some brand new gloves that I just got in that are going to be great for that cold weather iPad day. Let's check them out. So let's say it's wintertime and we need some gloves and we need to use our iPad and we're outdoors and your hands are freezing, but you want to still be able to touch that iPad through those gloves. Well, I got some gloves right here by the company. I don't know if you can see it. It's stitched right on here. The company is Mujjo. So they have come up with these gloves that actually still work on your screens. So smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, things like that, you're still going to be able to interact with these things with these gloves right here. Now, two sets of gloves. These are the thin-insulated ones. These are the single layer. These are going to run you about $50. These are the double insulated ones, and these are going to run you about $35. Now, the double insulated are way thicker, so I'm not sure why they're cheaper, but these keep your hands more warm and they're extremely comfortable on you. So both of these are made out of 3M technology. I'm just going to put the thicker one, the double insulated, on my left hand. And it's a little tough to get on because it is thick. It's double insulated now. Remember, you're on that cold winter day, and you're outdoors and you need to use your tablet. Right there. All fingers work. Thumbs, fingers. Okay, that's double insulated. What I'm gonna do now is take the single or the thin insulated one, put that one on. Now these come in tons of sizes, small all the way up to extra large, I think. But my hands are pretty big, and I got extra large in both sizes. But right there, no issues. Everything works. All fingers. Nothing's hindering you from using those tablets in the cold weather. So like I said, for your smartphones, for your tablets, for your smartwatches, everything is gonna work. There are no issues with these gloves. I give them a big thumbs up. So the thinner ones, $50. There we go. Thicker ones, double insulated, right over here, $35. I'm gonna drop links below so you can check both of these out. And your hands are extremely flexible. You can still move them even though they're thick and insulated. No issues with these gloves. I give them, like I said, big thumbs up. So until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.